Ever wondered how the Japanese create such mesmerizing flower arrangements? Welcome to the world of Ikebana, a time-honored tradition deeply rooted in Japanese culture, embodying aesthetic principles of balance, harmony, and simplicity. Ikebana is more than just arranging flowers, it's a disciplined art form where nature and humanity become one. So how does one begin with Ikebana? It starts with the essentials: flowers, branches, leaves, and a vase. The beauty of this art form is its respect for seasons and local availability. Your selection should reflect what's currently blooming or shedding in your locale. And the magic number? It varies, but 3, 5, and 7 are common choices, each stem symbolizing heaven, earth, and man respectively. Remember, in Ikebana, less is more. It's about capturing the essence of nature, not its abundance. Ready to create your first Ikebana arrangement? Here's how. Start with choosing a vase, something that will complement your chosen stems. Now, let's select those stems. Consider the shape, line, and form of each flower or branch. Each element is an integral part of the overall design. Next, we prepare the stems. Trim them, clean them, and position them thoughtfully in your vase. In Ikebana, asymmetry, balance, and the use of empty space are crucial. Asymmetry creates tension and interest. Balance, on the other hand, provides stability, and empty space offers room for imagination. And there you have it, your first Ikebana arrangement. Remember, it's not about perfection, but expression. There's a whole world of Ikebana waiting for you to explore. Let your creativity bloom as you experiment with various flowers, vases, and arrangements. Remember, Ikebana is not just about beauty, it's about understanding and respecting each element in your arrangement. It's the harmony of nature and your spirit. If you enjoyed this journey into the art of Japanese flower arranging, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy arranging!